In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a website on Netlify. We'll walk through the Netlify dashboard together and get your site live in just a few minutes, whether your code lives in a Git provider or on your computer. Start by signing into your Netlify dashboard. On the left sidebar, open the Projects section. This is your hub for everything you've deployed and anything new you're about to create. From here, click Add New Project. That one button opens up all the ways you can publish. You'll see multiple options. If you're exploring or want help scaffolding something quickly, you can choose to start building with an AI agent. It's a guided experience that can spin up a project and set sensible defaults for you. It's handy for experiments or when you want to move fast without setting everything up manually. If you already have a repository, select the option to import a Git repository. Netlify integrates seamlessly with the major providers. Pick the one where your code lives: GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Azure DevOps. After you click your provider, you may be prompted to grant Netlify permission to access your repositories. That allows Netlify to read your code and build it on every commit. Choose the repository you want to deploy, and Netlify will detect common frameworks and suggest build and publish settings automatically. You can review those suggestions to make sure the build command and publish directory match your project. The nice part of the Git workflow is that future commits to your selected branch will trigger automatic redeploys, keeping your site in sync without any extra clicks. Prefer a quick manual publish? Click the option to upload your project files. You can drag and drop your project folder, a zip file, or even a single HTML file right onto the page to deploy instantly. If you don't want to drag and drop, use the Browse Files button to pick the files from your computer. For a static site, make sure you're uploading the final assets you want served, like the contents of your build or dist folder, so what goes live is exactly what you expect. Once you've chosen your path, AI, Git import, or file upload, Netlify guides you the rest of the way. You'll see progress as it prepares, builds, and publishes. When it's done, your site is live at a generated URL, and you can come back to projects anytime to manage it, trigger updates, or connect it to more advanced features when you're ready.